Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Code Buddy. I hope you are doing extremely well and your placement preparation is also going well. Well guys, first of all, if you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed this channel till now, then make sure to do subscribe this channel as this really motivates me to make more such content for you and for your placement preparation. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss any update from my side. And in this video, what we are going to cover, so we will be seeing the previous year asked questions from common applications and MS Office, then network and cloud security, and then we will go ahead towards the pseudocodes question. Let's follow along with me. So this is the very first question. First of all, let me take the pen. So this is the question from common applications and MS Office, and the question is to fill up a document means to make changes to its existing content. So if you are making some changes in an existing content in a document, so what you are doing actually? So you are editing the content or you are editing the document. So the answer will be editing, right? Or we can say edit. So let's move on to the next question. The next question is spell check will find errors which of the following. So what does spell check do? So spell check will be find the spelling errors, right? So if these sentences contain any kind of error in spelling, right, then it will return or it will that will be the answer. Okay, so let's check. Today is a rainy day, so there is no any spelling error. Again, today is a rainy day, there is no any spelling error. Is a rainy, so it is also correct. Rainy today a day, there is something grammatically mistake but spelling is all right. Okay, so none of these will be the answer of this question as this is asking only for spelling error, right? So let's move on to the next question. The process of transferring files from computer on the internet is called downloading. No, downloading is what? If you are downloading some content from the internet in your local computer, that process is called downloading. Uploading, yes, it is. Okay, so from our local computer or from our device, if we are uploading some content or if we are uploading some media or file to the internet, then this process is called as uploading. So uploading will be the correct answer here, right? And also guys, I will send this PDF in the Telegram community, so make sure to do join our Telegram community. Okay, this is open for discussion, so you can join. The link is given in the description box. So let's check on the next question. So the next question is the PC productivity tool that manipulates data organized in rows and columns is called a spreadsheet, word processing document, presentation mechanism, data record manager, or EDI creator. So let's move on to the next question. What is the default file extension for all Word documents? So all the Word file documents are saved in .doc extension, right? All the Word file are saved in .doc extension. So doc will be the correct answer here. So let's move on to the next question now. Which of the following is not a network device? So this question is from network and security. Okay, so which of the following is not a network device? Router, switch, modem, or bridge? So none of the above is a network device. Okay, so none of the above will be the answer for that question. So let's move on to the next question. Uh, just a minute. The word processor in MS Office Suite is, so the word processor. So this will be MS Word or we can say Microsoft Word. So let's move on to the next question. .base, .doc and .html are example of domains, protocols, database or extensions. So these all are extensions. These all are the examples of extensions. So extensions will be the correct answer over here. So let's move on to this question. Where on the MS Word screen you can locate the horizontal split bar? On the vertical scroll bar top, on the vertical scroll bar bottom, the horizontal scroll bar left side or the horizontal scroll bar right side. So on the vertical scroll bar top, we can locate the horizontal split bar. So let's move on to the next question. Just a minute. Yeah. Next question is, what purpose do bookmarks serve? You can save websites URL for future reference. So bookmarks serve is like to save a website's URL for future reference. So let's move on to this question. Grouping and processing all of a firm's transaction at one time is called. It is called batch processing. All at one time is called batch processing. In the form of batch, we will do the firm transaction. So this is called batch processing. So let's move on to this question now. In MS Word, shortcut for delete is. shortcut for delete is okay, undo something, paste something, redo something, and something. So it will be undo. Okay, if you have done with the task and you want to delete that particular task, so simply you have to do is undo. Okay, or we can say Control Z is the shortcut key for undo. So let's move on to this question now. This question is to default view in Excel is work, auto, normal, Roman, or none of the above. So normal will be the default view in the Excel. So let's move on to the next question. So next questions are from cloud and network security. So which of the following is true about phishing? It is a type of cyber security attack that attempts to obtain data that are sensitive like usernames, password, and more. This is absolutely correct. And it is typically carried about email, spoofing, instant messaging, and text messaging. So both are correct. Okay, so 3 will be the answer. 1 and 2 all both are follows, or we can say both are correct. So let's move on to the next question. Next question is hides the true network address and is used to intercept all messages entering and leaving the network. So what it is? So it is proxy server. Proxy server hides the true network addresses and is used to intercept all messages entering and leaving the network. Now, a concern of authentication that deals with user rights. So this is functional authorization. A concern of authentication that deals with user rights. So this is functional authorization, right? So let's move on to this question. An algorithm in encryption is called cipher. An algorithm in encryption is called cipher. So let's move on to this question. The information that gets transformed in encryption is plain text, parallel text, encrypted text, or decrypted text. So the information that gets transferred in encryption is a plain text. Okay, so let's move on to the next questions. Next questions are self providers manage and secure infrastructure, operating system, application stack, and access control. So this is access control. So let's move on to this question now. Which data may not be suitable for public clouds? Legacy application data, mission critical workloads, sensitive data, or all of the above. So this will be all of the above. So these all the data that are not suitable for public clouds. So let's move on to this question. Which is not a form of confidential computing? Zero trust network. Zero trust network is not a form of confidential computing. Okay, so let's move on to this question. When is centralized cloud application monitoring most useful? So when application must spend hybrid architectures? Yes. It is the answer. When is centralized cloud application monitoring most useful? So when applications must span hybrid architectures, right? So let's move on to the next question. So next question is from pseudocode. So here are some integers a and we are storing some values to a and b. So this time a is holding 15 and b is holding 7. Now we have to perform some operations and then we will have to store the value in a. So what we are doing is a assign a mod a minus 3. Okay, so a will be a mod. So this is the sign of mod a minus 3. So what is the value of a this time? 15. So 15 minus 3 will be 12. So this time at this time a value is 15 only. So we will take it as like this, 15 modulus 12. So what does it mean or how this work? So it will gives the remainder. So if I divide 15 by 12, okay, by 12, if I divide 15 by 12, so 12 ones are 12 and there will be 3 as a remainder. So 3 will be the resultant of this. So this time a is having 3. Now at the line number 4th, b assign b mod b minus 3. So this time b value is 7. 7 modulus 7 minus 3. So this will be 4. Now when we divide 7 by 4, so the remainder will get as 3 only. So this time b is also having 3. Now a assign a modulus 1. So this will be, now a value is 3, okay, and mod 1. So this will be completely divided by 1. So the remainder will be 0 only. And this time b mod 1. So b value is also 3 and modulus 1. Okay, so this will also will 0. Now print a plus b. So the last updated value of a was 0 and b was also 0. So 0 will be the answer for this question. Okay, I hope it makes sense and it is clear to you. What does modulus operator do? Modulus operator returns the remainder, right? If we are dividing B by A, so what will be the resultant will come here and the remainder will come here. So this is how the modulus operator works. I hope this pseudocode is clear to you. So let's move on to the next pseudocode. So next is, okay, so for A equals to 8, B equals to 7 and C equals to 4, there is a function. You have to run this function and you will return A plus B at the line number 10. So what is the function and how does this work? So in this function, when we calling this function, integer A means 8, B 7 and C 4. Okay, so at the very first time 8, 7 and 4 are passing as the arguments in this function. Now at the line number 3rd, what is going to happen? So B plus B. So what is the value of B this time? 7. 7 plus 7 will be 14 and C. This is bitwise AND sign. Okay, C value is 4. So first of all, we have to perform this operation 14 and 4, and as this is a bitwise operator, so we have to convert these digits. These are in integer or we can say in decimal. We have to convert these in binary format. So what is the binary format of 14 and 4? So we can write it as 8, 4, 2, 1. This is a short trick to convert decimal to binary. Okay, so to make 14, what we will do, we will take 8 and 4 will be 12. 12 plus 2 will be 14. So we will mark the positions 1, 1, 1 here. Whatever birds or whatever numbers are making 14 by adding them each other, so we will mark these places as 1 and the remaining place as 0. So this is the binary code for 14. Now to 4, so 4 is enough to make 4, so 1, okay, remaining places are 0. Now what we have to do is we have to perform AND operation. So in the 12th class physics we already learned that how does AND operator work. So AND works like, if both the values are 0, so it will return 0. If one is 0 and one is 1, so it will also return 0. If 1 and 0, so it will also 0. If both the values are 1, then it only gives 1, right? So 1 and 0 will give 0 and 0, 0, 0. 1, 1 will be 1 and 1, 0 will be 0, right? So what is this? This is 4 only. So 14 and 4 will be the resultant as 4. Where is my cursor? Oh, yes. So this time A is having value 4 from this line. Now there is a loop and the loop is for each C from 5 to 7. So first time C value is 5 and C will goes up to 7 and C plus plus, right? And in the for loop, what we are going to do is 3 plus C. Then we will again update the value of B by performing this operation. And then A assign B and C plus C, right? And here is the end of for loop. So first of all, let me sum space for you. Okay. So at the very first iteration, first of all, we will check for the condition whether C is less than equals to 7 or not. So C value is this time 5. So 5 is less than equals to 7. So the condition is true and the control will come into the for loop. And this time we assign 3 plus C. So 3 plus C. C value is 5. So this will be 8. So this time B value is 8. And now again, what we have to do is we have to again update the value of B. So here 7 and 4 will be 11. 11 plus B. So B last updated value was 8. So 11 plus 8 will be 19, right? Now from here we have to update the value of A by performing this operation. So B and C. So 19 and C value is 5 plus C. So what is the resultant of this? Let's check out here. So first of all 19. Okay, 8, 4, 2, 1 and there is another requirement. So we will take 16. Okay, so to make 19, what we will do, 16 and plus 2 is 18 and 1 19. So this will be the binary format of 19 and 5 will be 101 and the remaining places are 0. So what we have to do is we have to perform AND operation. So 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. So it will be resultant as 1. 1 plus 5 will become 6. So this time A value is 6. I am writing here. Okay, A value 6 and the last updated value of V was 19. Right. Now, when the control will again come here and it will increment the value of C by 1. So the C value will become 6. Right. So this time C value is 6 and the control will come check for the condition again. C means 6 is less than equals to 7. So the condition is true this time. So we will come into the for loop again and we will again repeat the same process for the changed value of A, B, C. So this time V value will become 3 plus C. So this time C value is 6. So this will be 9. And then again 4 plus 7 will be 11 plus V. V value is 9. So this will be 20. Right? Let me come here. Yes. So V value is 20 and A value is B and C. So V is 20 and C is 6 plus C. So we have to add 6. Okay, so 20 and C will be, first of all, let me take eraser and then we will move forward. Okay, so 20 will be 1 and 1 here, 0, 0 at the remaining places. And 6. Okay, so 6 will be 1, 1, 0 and remaining are 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. We are adding, we are taking AND operation, right? 1 and 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0 will be 0 only. So this is 4. So the resultant of this will be 4 plus 6. So from here we get the value of A is 10. So this time A value is 10. I am writing here. Where is my cursor again? A is 10 and the last updated of V was 20. Right. So let me again make some space. Then we will move forward. Okay, so C value was 6 at this time. Now again the C value will be incremented and it will become 7. Now again the condition will check 7 is less than equals to 7. So 7 is equals to 7. Once again the condition is true and the control will come here. Right. So this time C value is 7 and A value is 10, B value is 20. Right. So from here we have to again update the value of V, A and C. Right. So V value will become 3 plus C. So 3 plus C. C updated value is 7. So this will be 10. Again, B value is 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus B. So 11 plus 10 will be 21. Now from here A value will become changed and we have to take AND operation between B and C. So V value is 21 and C value is 7 plus C. So 7 will be added and then we have to take the AND operation between 21 and 7. So again 6, 8, 4, 2, 1 and let's make it 21. 16 and 4 will 20 and 21, 0, 0 and 7 is 1, 1, 1 and these are 0. So let's take AND operation. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So it will be 5 now. 5 plus 7 will become 12. So this time A value is 12, B value is 21. Again, the control will come here and it will increment the C value. So C value will become 8 and 8 is less than equals to 7. So the condition is false this time and the control will come out of the for loop. So the control is now, where is the cursor? Control is now here at the end of for loop and here we have to update the value of C by A plus C. So C value will be A plus C. So what is the last updated value of A was 12 plus C was 21. So this is 21 and 12, 2 and 1, 3 and 2 and 1, 3. So this will be 33. Now here we have to return A plus B. So what is the value of A? A is 12 and B is 21. So this will be 2 and 1, 3, 2 and 1, 3. So 33. 33 will be the correct answer for this question. I hope the question was clear to you and I was able to make the solution crystal clear to you. So let's move on to the next question. So just a minute. Next question is, there is a code written in C language and there are some values stored by X, Y and Z. Okay. So here what we have to do is A is assigning the value after performing these operations. So here the precedence of operator will work first. So these all are the operators. These all are the bitwise operators. Like, so what is the highest precedence between them? So AND precedence is high. So first of all, we will take the AND operation of X and Y. So X value is 9 and Y value is 2. Then we will have to OR. Okay, so OR Z. Okay, so 6. So first of all, we will take 9 and 2. So what is the binary code of 9? 8, 4, 2, 1. So binary code of 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1. And for 2, it is only 1 0, right? So we will take AND 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. So it will be 0. Okay, so this gives us 0 or 6. Okay, so let's perform the OR operation of this. 0 0 0 0 and for 6 4 and 2. Okay, so we have to take OR. So 0 0 0 0 or 1, either of the value is 1, then in the OR operation it will return us 1. So it will give 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, this is how OR works. OR works like if either of the value is 1, then in that case it will return 1, and if both the values are 0, then it will return 0. So this is 6 again. So this will gives us 6. So A value is now 6, and from here we have to print the value of A. So this will print 6, right? This will print 6. So 6 will be the correct answer for this question. I hope it makes sense and it is clear to you. So let's move on to the next question now. So the next question is, here is two integer X and Y, and X is assigning value 9, and then we have to perform some operations and we will holding the value in Y, right? So again here the precedence of operator will work again. So as we can see here that there is a little bit space. So we have to consider it like X plus 4 divided by 9, then we will be multiplying, right? If we consider it like as 4 divide 9 into 3, there is no space. So first of all 9 and 3 will be multiplied to each other according to the precedence. But here as there is a space, so we will have to consider it like this, and the braces have or the brackets have the high precedence in all of them. So what we are going to do, we will consider the operation like this. Okay, and according to this we will perform the uh, operations. So X value is 9. So 9 plus, when we divide 4 by 9, so we will get 0. Okay, in the integer form we will get 0 point something something, but here we are setting the values in integer, so only 0 will be considered into 3. So it will give us 0 only, right? So 9 plus 0 will be 9. So in the Y, what we are assigning or what we are storing, Y value is 9. So at this line we have to print y into 9. So what is the value of y? Y is 9. 9 into 9 will be 81. So 81 will be the correct answer for this question, right? So what was the catch there? There was a catch like there is a space, so we have to consider it like this is like this, but not this. Okay, so we will make it as it is. So yeah, that's all for today from my side. I hope all the questions are clear to you and this video is going to be very helpful for you. If it is helpful for you, then make sure to share this video with the needy person, with those who has the upcoming Accenture exam. And if you like this video, if you like my explanation, then hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, then why are you waiting for? Let's subscribe it now, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.